Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka National People's Party kabala job hado arpun riungut ki MLA haka election kabala dap kalanang khlan chu da jing ai jing kerchan jong ki khatwengut ki MLA ka UDP mar arngut na ka Hspdp PDF BJP mat na ki arngut ki MLA independent ka kenhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 balayalam daga NPP haka ni ka kenti kala dan 100% ngut ka jingbun pat haka yung dorbar ka bahenro phungut ki dekhot National President Joga NPP Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka jing krem begilat pathai khubur haka henro trek ulber arjar arfulai ulai thu ba jing Bhah Shuki shaki seng san pathai ki bala ai jing kerchan ya ka sarkar senrop jonga Mda-Ii kalong prasi na kabenta ka NPP RC shaka UDP bat marshi seat shaka BJP bat shaka Hspdp katkum gani ka jing batte Shuki haparing gidi ki santli ki seng san pathai ka PDF kala sha pendu ya ka Bhah banyorung haka kenhun menteri haka ni ka kenti Hagani keju kesngiu konrak sangma ulalai ra City ai jingkerchan jonga UDP bat ke PDF sha ulat ke jela uphagu chauhan ban peni ba ke kenhun balai alam dak NPP kelayo ya ke jingkerchan ka bakenjo hadu sausan ngut ki MLA.
So we had the first meeting of the alliance and the first decision that was taken in the meeting was to call this alliance as the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2. As 2.0, sorry, which is the second part of the first Mda-Ii alliance. So all unanimously agreed that we should call this the Mda-Ii 2 as the partners are the same. And the second resolution we took was that we have decided to also elect the chairman as the chief minister will be the chairman of the Mda-Ii 2. That is Konrad Sangma will be the chairman of that. Also, we have also decided that in the cabinet, out of the 12 members that are there, 8 will go to the National People's Party, 2 will go to the UDP, 1 will go to the Hspdp, and 1 will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths, and out of these 12 cabinet berths, 4 of them, including Chief Minister, will be from the Garo Hills region, and 8 of the cabinet ministers will be from the Khasi Jayantini Hills region. So this were the this decision, of course, was not taken in the Mda-Ii, but I'm just informing you about the breakup that has been worked out with all the respective partners. Also, we have passed a resolution within the party regarding the candidature for the speaker's post and the election. So the NPP has proposed name and they've entrusted me to speak to the rest of the coalition partners to formalize the name. And once I speak to the coalition partners and get their consent, we will be announcing the name of the candidate for the speaker's post.
Do you want any?
No, the PDF it is not in the cabinet. Decided on that. I mentioned it today, so the members have said that let the swearing in be completed tomorrow. Then once we sit again as a Mda-Ii, then the nitty-gritties of the common minimum program and coordination committee and other aspects will all be taken up there.